In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in Wix. If you're a website creator, you know how important precision is when designing your site. Sometimes you need to take a closer look at specific details, and other times you want an overview of the entire layout. That's where the zoom functionality in Wix comes in handy. Whether you're fine-tuning small elements or reviewing your design as a whole, learning how to use the zoom feature effectively can make your editing process smoother and more efficient. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your Wix account. Head over to the Wix login page and enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of websites associated with your account. From here, navigate to the dashboard of the specific website you want to edit. This is your main starting point where you can manage all aspects of your site, from settings to design. Once you're in the dashboard, the next step is to click on the Edit Site button. This will open the Wix Website Editor, where all the magic happens. The editor is your workspace where you can drag, drop, and customize every part of your website. Give it a moment to load, and soon you'll see your website appear in the editing interface. Now that you're in the Wix editor, let's locate the zoom functionality. If you look toward the bottom of the editor, you'll notice a small percentage displayed. Typically, it will show something like 100%. This percentage indicates the current zoom level of your editor. It's located in the lower right corner of the screen, so keep an eye out for it. Next, click on the displayed percentage. This will open up the zoom menu, giving you access to different zoom levels. You'll see a range of options here, allowing you to either zoom in closer for a detailed view or zoom out for a broader perspective. Simply select the zoom level that's most suitable for your task. For instance, if you're working on intricate design elements, zooming in can help you see every detail clearly. On the other hand, if you're reviewing the overall layout of your site, zooming out might be more helpful. It's important to note that adjusting the zoom level doesn't affect how your website will appear to visitors. It's purely for your convenience while editing. So feel free to experiment and find the view that works best for you. As you continue editing, it's a good idea to occasionally reset the zoom back to 100%. This ensures that you're seeing your design in its true proportions and alignment. To do this, simply open the zoom menu again and select 100%. Resetting the zoom regularly can help you maintain an accurate perspective of how your site elements are positioned relative to one another. And that's all there is to it. Using the zoom feature in Wix is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your editing experience. It gives you the flexibility to focus on the details, while also keeping the bigger picture in mind. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.